I mean, in order to set up the backend workflows for your Deepgram plugin, so that the plugin can go and get a temporary token, so you don't expose your private token in the UI, you create a backend workflow like this. But the first thing that you set up is in Deepgram, you need your token, and you need to put token in front, and then you need to put in the name of your bubble app domain. So in this case, this is my bubble app domain here, and this is my bubble app domain here. In dev, it's got version test. And then this bit here, get Deepgram token, this is the endpoint name. So this endpoint name needs to be the same endpoint as this. So that name in the plugin matches this name on the back end. And then you do this action, then this action, and then this action. So this action just is just an action on the plugin to go and get your project ID. And then this action goes off to Deepgram and gets your temp token, and just copy these values. So I've got you pull in the project ID, the first project ID. In this particular one, there's only one project, so this is how I dynamically just go and get the project ID. You may have a specific project ID, in which case you just put the project ID in there. So then we get the temp token, and then we return structure in JSON, we return the key. And the things people get stuck on is this name here does not equal the name that's in the plugin settings. It's got to be a public one. Whether it's authenticated or not just depends on the design of your app. In this particular demo app, anyone can use it, so people run it without authentication, but in your app you might want them to be authenticated. So those are things to be wary of. And then returning the data from the API, make sure it's structured JSON. And those are the things people get stuck on. This is saying time to live for this. We give 10-minute time to live for those temporary tokens. And that's how to set the back end up.